The Specialloy Digital Chart Recorder is a rugged and mobile pressure recording data acquisition system aimed at replacing circular chart recorders. These recorders are available with multiple pressure ports with ranges up to 60,000 psi. It comes with an easy-to-use software with simple start and stop buttons with quick certificate generation. You can easily export all data via the USB port on the side of the case or utilize a keyboard and mouse input along with 110-volt shop power input for charging. The unit can be equipped with a 1/4-inch MPT or a 1/4-inch high-pressure bulkhead connection, and some models have an option for a thermal coupled temperature recording.